So allowed.
Okay. Good morning, student. Again, same discussion. Page number 138. I have given one question that you yourself you find out the answer, or you ask your guide teacher, maths teacher, science teacher, that why it is happening. A square plus b square is equal to a square into b square. Even you are not searching the answer, even you are not asking me, means curiosity is zero. The base of the education is curiosity. If curiosity finish, no progress. So one more day I am giving. Okay, we will continue from fourth. Out of 6 ratios, 2 ratios are basic: sine and cos. Everything we have to try to convert into sine and cos. Then there are 3 identities. Try to put that identities and to find out and to try to get the left is equal to right. Slow and study. So cot square minus tan square is equal to cos x square minus sec square. Number is of sixth 4. Of sixth 4. Cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cos x square theta minus sec square theta. So always you have to start with left hand side is equal to cot square theta tan square theta. We have identities. Third identity is 1 plus cot square is equal to cos x square. So cot square is equal to cos x square minus 1. For this I can replace cos x square theta minus 1. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. So tan square is equal to sec square minus 1. Now open the bracket. Minus minus plus. So this plus and this minus will cancel. Means 1 minus 1 is 0. So is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cos x square theta minus sec square theta. So start with left side and try to get right side. Next one, 6/5, that is 10 raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. Here which I have applied, that you have to write. Here I have substituted cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta minus 1, and here I have applied tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So from this and this, I will write this in a square power. Tan square theta plus tan square theta into 1. Correct. So tan square I will take common. Tan square theta plus 1. Tan square out, only tan square remain. Tan square out, only 1 remain. And tan square plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. And tan square is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Which formula I have used? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Remember that. Tan plus 1 is equal to sec square I have written, and tan square is equal to sec square minus 1 I have written. Now open the bracket. This into this, sec raised to 4 theta, this into this is equal to right hand side. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta sec raised to 4 theta sec square theta. Next, sixth, 1 by sin theta, 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta 2 sec square theta, that we want. So left hand side 1 by 1 sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta, cross product this into this, 1 into same means same thing, 1 into bracket means the bracket same thing, plus 1 minus sin theta, this into this into this, now these two product. So that is 1 plus sin theta So here sine and sine will cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2, a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square means 1 square, and as we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, and 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. So this goes up. Again, this is given. What I have done? I have done this into this into this. This in cross product 3 times you have to do the product. First numerator with second denominator, numerator with first denominator, and product of two denominator. Sin minus sin is 0. This much part is clear or not clear? This is visible, beta. This
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. Sine minus sine 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, a plus b, a minus b, so a square minus b square, sine square plus cos square, if it is 1, so sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square, and cos square is equal to 1 minus sine square, so 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. Now inverse formula we are using. 1 by cos is equal to sec, so 1 by cos square is equal to sec square, so 1 by cos square is equal to sec square, so 2 sec square theta that we want, so that is right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore 1 by 1 minus sine theta, 1 by 1 plus sine theta, 2 sec square theta. If in this three questions, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Host will allow you to speak. Three formula which are inverse product, that is sine into cos sec is equal to 1, cos into sec is equal to 1, tan into cot is equal to 1, that we are utilizing in direct or indirect form. And three identities, 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square, 1 plus cot square is equal to 1 plus cot square is equal to cos x square, and sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. On the base of that sixth formula, I am proving left is equal to right. If you have any question, you can ask. Now very intelligent question. Sec raised to 6 x minus 10 raised to 6 x is equal to 1 plus 3 sec square x 10 square x, 10 square x, not theta, sorry. Now try to understand the algebraic expression. Now, for example, 10 raised to 6x, I can write in two ways. 10 cube x square, 3 to the 6 power. I can write 10 square x of cube. I have two choice to convert 6 power into square form and cube form. I will select this. I can't select this. Why? Because in identity formula, 1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square. But 1 plus 10 cube, for 10 cube there is no identity, there is no formula. That is why I can't take this, I will take this. Both you can take, but for this formula is available, for this formula is not available. So you can ask, no sir, square of cube of square, both the power are 6. Why you have taken this? Why you have not taken this? Can we take this? No. आगे. हाँ. So sec square x cube minus 10 square x cube. Now listen very carefully. a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Convert this into this form. Your all a is what? Sec square x. Your all b is what? 10 square x. So I will write sec square x minus 10 square x. A minus b completed. Or here you can write no. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. If it is minus, so minus and all plus. If it is plus, plus and here minus. There are two different forms. So a written, b written. Now a square, square of this sec raised to 4x plus sec square x 10 square x. Then plus 10 square of square. If 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square x, if this is the identity, therefore sec square minus 10 square is equal to 1. So this will be 1. Rest of copy. Now again a raised to 4 a square b square plus b raised to 4 I have. I want to convert this in a perfect square but a minus b form, not a plus b form. For example, this I can write a raised to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4 plus 3 a square b square. Or I can write a raised to 4 plus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4 minus a square b square. This same I can write this same I can write this. How? See, a raised to 4 in all, b raised to 4 in all. Now here 1 time a square b square. So 3 time minus 2 time it is 1 time. Indirectly I have written 2 time minus 1 time also it is 1 time. 3 time minus 2 time also it is 1 time. But this will be a square plus b square all square. For this I don't have formula. We have formula sec square minus 10 square. So this will not work. This will work. So this I have written same this. Instead of 1 time a square b square, I am writing minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 time. I have split up this. Now this is a perfect square. Square of first number, square of now last number, 2 into a square b square plus 3 a square b square. Okay, so this is same a raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4. This you can convert in a square minus b square plus overall square plus 3 a square b square. Now what is a square? What is b square? What is a square? What is b square? Now again this we have substituted 1, no? Again 1. Simple. With power, don't get fear that I will not get how to factor. Simple. If it is a 6 power, square of cube you can take. You cannot take uh, square of cube. Correct? Square of cube you cannot take. You can take cube of square, because for square we have the formula. So a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a cube b cube, that same I am writing here. A is your square and your b is 10 square. So as per that I am substituting. Now 1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square. So sec square minus 10 square is equal to 1. So I have substituted a 1. Now this much only remain. That is this. This I can write in this way. When I will convert this into the perfect square, so this. So now this ultimately it becomes convert into this form. So this a cube, a raised to 4, b raised to 4, a square, b square. It will convert as per this. A minus b total, a square minus b square total square plus 3a square b square. Now every a is sec. So sec square, every b is 10. So 10 square, 3, sec square, 10 square. Again this is 1, and that you want. Eighth one is very interesting and easy. Which 10 chapters are in your syllabus? For that I have given assignment. So slow and steady, start writing. Of fifth, eighth, that is tan theta sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. To prove left and right, left side is equal to right side, there are four different method. That method is writing method. Stepwise, there is not that much difference. Okay, left side I will solve separate, right side also I will solve separate. Sometime both the side you will get this type of equation. You both the side you convert into very simple form, and you can make it equal. Listen, left hand side only, right hand side only. This is sec theta minus 1 tan theta. Here tan theta sec theta plus 1. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Formula I am using, wherever it is tan I will write sin by cos. So this is sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. 1 you can write cos by cos, that is also 1, because in denominator there is 1. So simple write cos by cos, because cos is common in the denominator, that is why cos by cos is 1, and instead of 1 that I have written. This side sec means 1 by cos minus cos by cos. Tan means sin theta by cos theta. Now I will simplify this. Separate I am doing. So sine theta by cos theta. Now denominator same. So 1 plus cos theta by cos theta. Cos denominator same. Both the denominator you can cancel. So sine theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta cos cancel, so 1 minus cos theta. You have simplified both the things. This you have simplified, you got sine divided by 1 plus cos. Here you have simplified, you got 1 minus cos divided by sine. Now there are two ways. Here it is given sine theta one plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta sine theta. I am explaining both the method, and for the method you will get the steps from the question only. You no need to remember that in particular this solution, after these steps we have to do this, multiply and divide by this. Don't mug up, you will get the answer. In this I want to convert into this. First I will try to convert left is equal to right, then I will show right is equal to left. From this I want to convert in this. Here sine in denominator, I want sine in denominator because this I want to convert in this. Here sine is in denominator, so multiply and divide by sine. Multiply and divide by sine. So sine theta 1 plus cos theta sine theta sine theta, sine square theta. Correct. This is 1 plus cos theta sine theta. Now sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 square also you can write. 1 plus cos theta sine theta. Now this a square minus b square. So 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta sine theta. So I'll cancel this. So I'll get 1 minus cos theta sine theta. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Both are equal. So now you can write this equal to this. I simplify left, then I simplify right. Now from left to right I want to show. So this I got, but sine and cos now you can't convert. If it is a square you can convert, but it is a single power, you can't convert in anything. These are the basic ratio. Here I want sine, in denominator I want sine, so I have multiply and divide by sine. So this becomes sine square. Sine square you can convert because you want cos square. So sine square is equal to 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is equal to 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. So plus pair will omit. This will remain. Now, okay, this I have done. From left is equal to right I have done. Now I will do from right is equal to left. Start with, here I have started with left and prove it is equal to right. Now I will start with right. I want to prove this. Left means what? In that numerator is sine. Here No sign in numerator. So multiply and divide by sign. So 1 minus cos theta sin theta sin theta sin theta. So this is 1 minus cos theta sin theta sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. One square means 1 square. 1 square minus cos square is equal to 1 plus cos 1 minus cos. This is 1 minus cos sine. This time minus minus will cancel. So sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So I have started with the left and right hand side. And I got is equal to left hand side. Now I got this. In exam, you have to do any one. Simplify left is equal to this. Simplify right is equal to this. Now from this to this you want no. So multiply and divide by sign. So left is equal to right. Your answer is over. If you don't want to do this, come to the here. Right hand side. Take right hand side. Multiply and divide by sign. You do this is equal to left hand side. So left hand side is equal. Right hand side is equal to left hand side. Do any one method. In the starting of this in the starting of the sum I have given number 4 method. 2 method is here. Simplify left, simplify right, this. But this is not equal. Try to convert this into this. One method. Try to convert this into this. Second method. Now by taking left, I got this. Correct? Is equal to this. I got this. Only left, left, this. Then come here. Go up. Reversible. You will get this. I am explaining. You will take only left hand side. You will do this. Substitute this. This you will get. Okay. Then again you will do this. This you will get. Now write this. Previous. So directly left is equal to right. But in reverse, because this much part you have to do in rough, then you can write in reverse. So left is equal to right. That also, but this is a simple way. Simplify left side, simplify right side. If both are not equal, then try to convert left into right or try to convert right into left. Any doubt you can ask. In previous question also it is not tough, but power, how we will convert power to convert into your identities form. If you have any question, you can ask. How many minutes remain, bachcha? Time?
So 3 minutes.
Every day I used to say that one day before I am sending the link, morning also I am sending the link. We have more than 200 students and see 25, 30 students only are joining. And even I have given the list that how much preparation I have done at my home to serve you better, best of best. Slowly, we are completing this. This is the 7th part of the trigonometrical chapters, 7th chapter, sorry, 7th lectures. So you go through stepwise. There are three part, one from one ratio to many ratio. Second part, left side is equal to right side, this. And third, word problem. From all three group, they will 100% ask one question. After completing this, we will arrange lectures specially for particular chapters. For example, algebra first chapter, geometry first. One particular lecture will be for one particular chapter, doubt solving. If you have any doubts, if you don't have any doubts, we will solve the most likely the questions which are came maximum number of time, that we will solve on the board. Even in the assignment, I have searched a lot. Zigzag any numbers I have not given. To give you just work, I have not mark any number. I have studied that which numbers came maximum time and which are most liable to ask. So at least you will do this minimum, no, because already three full chapters they have omitted, and some parts they have omitted. That in a perfect square method and all that particular method they have deducted. So again, it is reduced a lot in rest of the 10 chapters. Then after doubt solving of algebra and geometry, my best of best favorite, that is light part 1 and light part 2, that 1 hour 2 lectures I will conduct for science 1. And if you will go through that lecture, that video, no, at the end, this both chapter will be by heart. Each and every whatever I will discuss, no, that much will come out of that frame. Nothing will come. So which are liable, which are the most important point related to the SSC board, only that we will discuss on light 1, chapter number 5 and chapter number 6, reflection, refraction, and examples, and lots of experiment and all that. Ray diagram, especially without ray diagram, so that for that you need live lecture. Otherwise, if I draw and send to you, you will not come to know that how this diagram form step by step wise. So try to join lecture 11 o'clock. Even I want to conduct it on 10 o'clock, but for your preference I have given that student might be get late, ready late. So 11 o'clock, that is enough that you can join. So try to convince your friend also to join the lectures. I think they are totally depend on the YouTube video. So that I'm not doing now. So then only they will come, because this full on arrangement, that is all done.